Hey guys, today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. Let's open it. The theme for this month is creepy cute. So this is the theme for this month is creepy cute. The card says, enter for a chance to win exclusive Boxycharm worth over 250 snap a created pic of your March box. Pass it onto social media platforms listed below using hashtag Boxycharm, hashtag BoxyMail, and tag 3 friends. So this is all that it says on the card, and then the rest is just says the list of the parts that I got. So once again, this is the theme for this month is creepy cute for March. And before I just get started, I would just like to say that I'm really sorry that I'm late advertising the Boxycharm. I received my Boxycharm late in the mail. Once again, last time I got my Boxycharm late. I had told you this before in my December unboxing for the end of the year of 2016. I have told you before, and now I got a Boxycharm late again. So anyways, let's get right into this box, and I'm really excited to find out what I got in this box for this month of March 2017. So the first product I see is Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. This is a foundation primer. I have heard of this primer before. I have 2 of them in my room, and I just really love it. It really like smooth out your skin, and if you have like oily skin, it works well. It don't leave your face very shiny. This is why I just really like. If you are oily skin girl, you always looking for a primer that doesn't leave your face so shiny. So this primer I just really love. It is oil free, and I just really love this product. This product can be expensive. They range $14, and I believe this size is called this size is the price is $16. I already know because I've been buying mine at Sephora, so I know the prices already. I don't even have to look at the card, to be honest with you. So this costs $16, and the big one costs $39, which I think, no, $36. The big one costs $36, not $39. $36, and I just really love it. Definitely like smooths everything out when you apply your foundation. Smooths everything out. It doesn't leave your face cakey when you apply your foundation over this primer, and that's why I just really love it. And I'm so excited to show you how this is when I apply it. So let's see. Let's see what else is inside this box for this month of March. Okay, there is something in this bubble wrap that I have to find out what it is. Okay, so the product I see is called Naked Cosmetics. This is the box, Naked Cosmetics, and Naked Cosmetic, I just took it out the box, and I believe this is an eyeshadow palette. Yes, okay, from the card I see that it says it's an Urban Rustic palette by Naked Cosmetics. So this is Urban Rustic palette. It is an eyeshadow palette, so I'm gonna see what are the colors. Okay, so these are what the colors look like. It is so pretty, right? It has like a plum, then they have this orange tone, and then they have this beautiful green color that is great for the spring now. And let me see, this ranges $39. So this is $39. $39 for a small thing. That's good. Oh my god. Really great. So I'm gonna swatch these right now and see how pigmented these are. So first I'm gonna swatch the green. So let's see. Then I'm gonna swatch the orange and then the purple. Like plum, it's not a purple, it's plum. Okay, so these are the swatches. Aren't these so beautiful? They are so pigmented. I have no problem. I just really love it. I just love getting eyeshadows that are like very pigmented. I just hate getting an eyeshadow that I have to like swatch like several times to get the actual color. Don't like that at all. So I was really surprised that this came out to be very pigmented. One swipe and it's great. So I figured like when I swatch it in a minute on my eyes that I can't be heavy-handed with this product because as you see this is so pigmented. So I'm really excited to try this out. Once again, this is $40 and I just can't wait to test it out on me. Let's see. next I see is a brush. Like, I'm so excited to get this product. I just love getting brushes in my boxes and anything. I just love getting brushes. So this is a brush. It's from Crown. So this brush is a fan brush that is by crownbrush.com. It's a deluxe fan brush. And okay, so this is how the fan brush looks like. And the number of this is SS023 Jumbo Kabuki Fan Brush. So this is a Kabuki fan brush, a deluxe size. It is so pretty. It is fluffy. Oh my god, it's so soft. This is very soft and I just really like the softness in this. And I'm really excited to try this out. So I'm going to try this out with my highlighter. So if you guys want to know the price of this costs $19. This is why I just love getting brushes in my Boxycharm. Is because that these brushes are really high end quality brushes, especially if they're gonna last forever. That's why I just really love getting brushes in my Boxycharm. So this is so pretty. I just really like this. I like the fluffiness. It is so pretty. And $19 for this. Whoa. So I'm gonna try this out right now and see how well this brush is, if it's a good brush or not. So I'm gonna demo the Pure Light highlighter using the fan brush. Okay, so taking do you guys see anything? Okay, so well, the brush is very soft. It's a soft brush. It's so freaking soft. Okay, I'm noticing. I just really like this fan brush. Not only you can use it for highlighting, you can also use it for bronzer. Like if you want to like put a bronzer here and here, put a bronzer, it works well too. But I'm just trying it now with a highlighter. It's pretty. Look how pretty. So the next thing I see is Real Her Advanced Lip Liner. So this is a lip liner in the shade I Am Precious. So lip liner shade I Am Precious. Okay, so this is how the lip liner looks like. It says I Am Precious on it. And as I'm looking at this bottom in the shade of this, it looks like it's like going to be like a mauve berry color, but not too like dark berry. It's like a neutral tone berry looking. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch this now. Ah! It broke. It broke. Broke. Okay, so this is how the thing is. My lip liner broke. I'm so upset it broke. So it's very pigmented and I like it. It costs $12.50. This costs $12.50 and it's very creamy. But as I was swatching it, it broke on me. Look at this. There's nothing on the top. It broke. Okay, so if you guys want a quick tip. When your lip liners break or your lipstick breaks, always get like a lip brush. If you have like a skinny intimity brush that's like a lip brush, like very skinny, you just take your brush inside here and then you just apply it like you're applying the lip liner. So that's a quick tip. If any of your lipsticks or lip liner break, just grab a lip brush. Works perfect. So last and final I see in this box is a lipstick. I believe it's supposed to match the lip liner. So let's see. It's called I Deserve the Best. That's the name of this matte. It's Real Her Lady Love Matte Liquid Lipstick. Lady Love. Lady Love. Lady Love. Okay, so this is Real Her I Deserve the Best matte liquid lipstick. So this is a matte liquid. So I'm gonna swatch this right now. Whoa, just really like this color. It is so pretty. Look at this. This is such a pretty color. I just really like it. I think I'm just gonna wear this every day. I just really like this color. I like colors like this because it's not too dramatic. It's not too dramatic, meaning like it's not too loud, and it's great for like an everyday use. So I'm thinking I'm gonna wear this every day, and then if I run out of it, probably gonna purchase another one. Speaking about purchase, if you guys want this matte liquid lipstick, it costs $15. $15 for this liquid lipstick. Is such a pretty color. I just really love it, and I believe it goes along with the lip liner. That's all that's in my box for Boxycharm. Overall, I just really love the products that I got. These products are so nice, and I'm excited to find out what I'm going to get for next month for April, because these products are unbelievable, amazing. I just really love Boxycharm, and if you are interested in subscribe to Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a $21 monthly subscription. I'm really sorry that I'm talking fast. My camera is dying. So my camera's dying, to be honest with you, so I gotta talk real fast. So anyway, so Boxycharm is a month subscription for just $21. Yeah, I know it sounds like expensive, but it's not. You get products that high-end products like Ofra, a whole bunch of products that is like the products like $15 and up. So if you add everything up, it is like 100 and something over for all the products if you add the products up separately. So it's a $21 monthly subscription, and if you are interested in subscribing to Boxycharm for the monthly or Boxycharm, the link will be in the description box below. Everything I mentioned today will be in the description box below. The prices and everything, if you are interested in purchasing them, it will be in the description box below. So like I said, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave to see new videos every Tuesday and Friday. I'll see you in my next video.